How to fix bunion without surgery. Despite what many people think, high heels are not solely responsible for the creation of bunions. Genetics are heredity and are also to blame. Obviously, wearing high heels often can make the problem even worse, and there are solutions you can use to decrease the pain naturally. Surgery should always be the last resort after you have tried everything else. Case Cures would like to provide some assistance on how to treat bunions and all the unpleasantness that they bring to your feet. Don't miss the bunion part about how you can choose the right shoes for your bunions. Number 1. Use a tennis or lacrosse ball. A very simple exercise you can use is to place a tennis or lacrosse ball on the floor and start rolling your foot over it back and forth. You can repeat the movement for 3 or 5 minutes on each foot. Even if one of your feet doesn't have a bunion, you can still perform the exercise. This will be very relaxing for your feet by relieving excess cramping. Number 2. Try to pick up a dowel roll using only your toes. Another simple exercise you can use is to place a towel on the floor. Grab it with your toes and pull it towards you using only your toes. You can repeat this exercise 5 times and you can either be standing up or sitting down. What this toe movement will do to strengthen your feet and keep your toes flexible. Number 3. Try lifting your heels. Start in a standing position with your knees slightly bent. Then proceed to lift your heels slowly until all your weight is being held by your toes. Now, this might feel very painful and uncomfortable if you suffer from severe bunions, but you should still try little by little. Over time, your toe muscles will strengthen and your bunions will probably stop reforming. Walk on sandy beaches as often as possible. This one might not be possible for each and every one of you depending on your location, but sand is a great massage for your feet. Not only does it relax your toes and feet, but it also helps strengthen them. It will prove to be beneficial for those who suffer from arthritis due to this bunions. Number 5. Soak your feet in warm and ice-cold water. After a long, stressful day is over, your feet will be thanking you if you soak them in a tub with warm water and Epsom salt. Just fill the tub up to the ankles and let your feet soak for 10 to 15 minutes. Alternatively, you can choose an ice-cold soak by placing your feet in an ice bowl for at least 10 minutes before going to bed. This way, all the swelling and inflammation will reduce. Number 6. Wear a splint during the night. Many people have found that wearing splints at night reduces the pain that their bunions experience. What they do is prevent first and the second toe from colliding with each other while reducing the pressure between all toes. You can wear them at night while you are sleeping. They might not be able to solve your bunion problems forever, but they can reduce the pain and discomfort. Number 7. Massage your feet with olive oil. Massaging your feet once or twice a day is an idea you can use to keep your toes flexible. Adding some warm olive oil to the massage will help you move the joints a lot easier. Try massaging your toes for 15 minutes at a time and you will notice a big difference in your toe circulation. The use of olive oil may make your job easier when moving your toes around. Number 8. Apply turmeric to your bunions overnight. Capsaicin is a key ingredient in many creams that help reduce pain and inflammation. It is also in turmeric and that's why you can try applying it on your bunions. Simply make a paste of turmeric and water and apply on the affected areas. It is important that you leave the turmeric overnight so it has time to act. What to look for when shopping for shoes. Going shoe shopping isn't always as pleasant as you like when you have a bunion problem. That's why you should be looking for a few very specific characteristics. High heel shoes should be on the bottom of your list since they will only harm your feet more. They will push your toes even more to the side and increase the pain. Try looking for shoes with a wide front so the bunion has enough space to spread and not be pressured. A wide rubber is also a plus since it will offer additional support. Pay attention to the material of your shoes. Rubber, stretchy leather, and mesh are ideal for bunions. Stay away from harder materials that will rub on your bunions and inflict even more pain. Go to the podiatrist to get an accurate measurement of your feet. They will let you know about the needs of your feet, and then you will know exactly what to look for when you go shopping. What have you found to be effective in treating bunion discomfort? The Cares and Cures team want you and those close to you to live a healthy, happy life. Your health is a valuable thing. Look after your health and your mind so that you can live your life to the fullest. Remember, you only get one. Please share this with your friends and family, and do let us know what do you think in the comments below. This video is solely for informational purposes. Do not self-diagnose or self-medicate, and in all cases, consult a certified healthcare professional before using any information presented in this video. The tutorial code does not guarantee any result and does not bear any responsibility for any harm that may result from using the information provided in this video.